Here, are we still doing keep separate?
No.
Text messages, emails, letters, or any contact through social media.
El no tener contacto incluye no hacer llamadas telefónicas, no enviar mensajes de textos, correos electrónicos, escribir una carta o tener contacto utilizando las redes sociales.
If I order you not to return to a particular location, it means you cannot go back to that location for any reason.
Si yo le ordeno no regresar a un lugar en particular, esto significa que usted no podrá regresar a este lugar por ninguna razón.
If that location is your residence that you share with the alleged victim in your case, please make sure to let me know that.
Si esa residencia es, si ese lugar es su residencia, la cual usted comparte con la presunta víctima en el caso, asegúrese de hacérmelo saber.
I can adjust your bond conditions to allow you to return one time to the residence while accompanied by law enforcement in order to collect personal belongings.
Yo podría ajustar las condiciones de su fianza para permitirle regresar a la residencia acompañado de un agente del orden público para retirar sus artículos personales.
That is an appointment that you would need to schedule with the sheriff's office within the first 10 days of your release.
Y esta es una cita que usted tendría que hacer con la oficina del alguacil durante los primeros 10 días después de haber salido en libertad.
If you violate a condition on your bond order, you will be returned to jail.
Si usted infringe las condiciones de su fianza, usted sería regresado a la cárcel.
You could also face additional felony charges such as aggravated stalking or influencing a witness.
Usted también podría enfrentar cargos adicionales por delito grave como persecución ilícita con agravante o influenciar a un testigo.
If I order you to have no contact with someone, that same person cannot post your bond for you.
Si yo le ordeno no tener contacto con alguien, a esa persona no se le va a permitir pagar la fianza por usted.
You're also not allowed to contact them while you are in jail.
Tampoco se le permitirá ponerse en contacto con esa persona mientras esté en la cárcel.
Some of you have charges that this court is not authorized to set a bond this morning.
Alguno de ustedes se le imputa cargos por los cuales este tribunal no está autorizado a asignarle una fianza en la mañana de hoy.
If you are currently on probation, this court may not be authorized to set a bond this morning.
Si usted está cumpliendo una condena de libertad condicional, puede ser que esta corte no esté autorizada a asignarle una fianza en la mañana de hoy.
I will schedule everyone for a preliminary hearing to occur in approximately 1 month.
Yo le voy a programar a todos la fecha o su audiencia preliminar, la cual se va a realizar en aproximadamente un mes.
The purpose of that preliminary hearing will be to determine if there is enough evidence or probable cause to justify binding your case over to state or superior court.
El propósito de esa audiencia preliminar va a ser determinar si hay suficientes pruebas o motivo fundado para justificar enviar su caso ya sea al tribunal superior o al tribunal estatal para ser procesado.
If you are only charged with misdemeanors this morning and want to skip your preliminary hearing so that your case is transferred to state court right away, I will allow you to sign a waiver this morning.
Si a usted se le imputa solo cargos por delitos menores en la mañana de hoy y usted quiere saltar su audiencia preliminar para que su caso sea transferido inmediatamente al tribunal estatal, yo le voy a permitir firmar el formulario de renuncia en la mañana de hoy.
If you would like to waive the preliminary hearing, you can tell me that when you approach.
Si usted quiere renunciar a tener su audiencia preliminar, usted me lo puede informar cuando usted venga ante mí.
Lastly, it has come to our attention that the families of some defendants have been contacted by individuals on the outside who claim to be employees of the jail.
Finalmente, se nos ha informado que los familiares de algunos imputados han sido contactados por individuos allá afuera, haciéndose pasar por empleados de la cárcel.
These individuals claim to offer dismissal of all charges if a substantial fee is paid to them.
Estos individuos están ofreciendo desestimarle todos los cargos si se le paga una suma sustancial.
Please note that is a scam.
Por favor, sepa que esto es una estafa.
Okay, now I'm going to swear everyone in. Please raise your right hand.
Ok, ahora los voy a juramentar a todos. Por favor, levante su mano derecha.
Do you swear or
What up,
affirm that the
Lex?
information you're about to give
What
to
up,
this
Vision?
court, as well as any information you provided on your application for court-appointed counsel, is true and correct?
Thank
If
you,
so,
Kimberly.
say I do.
I do.
¿Jura usted y afirma que la
Hold on,
información
we
que
getting
usted está a
married here
punto
or
de dar
what?
ante este tribunal, así como también la información suministrada en su
What's
solicitud para
going
un
on
abogado de
here?
oficio, es correcta y verdadera? Si así es, dígalo juro.
So help me. I've been stuck on these Discord links. What though? They're not working or what? Let me see right here. All right, and what state is this? No, Georgia. This is Georgia right here. This is Georgia. If you
All right.
will.
Good morning, sir. Can you state your name for me?
Buenos días, señor. ¿Podría usted darme su nombre?
The Board of Parole hearings.
Jonathan Roberto Fernández Martínez.
Okay, I saw you on Monday, correct?
Sí.
Yo lo vi a usted el día lunes, ¿correcto?
Okay. We handled everything on Monday, so I think they mistakenly brought you in today.
Nosotros lidiamos con todo el día lunes, o sea que yo creo que usted lo trajeron acá en el día de hoy por error.
So we don't need to do anything further today. Thank you.
O sea que no necesitamos hacer nada más en el día de hoy. Gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, what up, Harley? Hey, thank you for that. Highly appreciate that.
Next person.
All right. Good morning, sir. Can you state your name for me?
Buenos días, señor. ¿Podría usted darme su nombre?
Aldair Granja.
Yeah, we're only
Aldair
live on this one right now.
Granja.
They restricted my my live
Give me
access.
one moment to get your paperwork.
They got me.
Deme un momento para buscar su documentación.
They got me. What up? Hey, what up, Becky C? How's it? How you been? Are you dressing like in me?
Mr. Granja, have you already started to try to post a bond today?
Señor Granja, ¿ya comenzó usted a tratar de pagar su fianza en el día de hoy?
No me he podido comunicar.
I have not been able to contact anyone.
Okay.
He said
We
I haven't been
are,
able to communicate.
You have two charges that are no license and a tag light violation.
No license.
Usted tiene dos cargos,
Damn,
los
Lisa,
cuales
thank you.
uno por no licencia y una por una infracción de las luces traseras.
We are going to issue an order that allows you to be released from jail without posting a bond.
Vamos a ejecutar una orden, la cual le va a permitir a usted salir de la cárcel sin tener que pagar
What
una
up,
fianza.
Bedazo?
And so I will send that order over shortly.
Y yo voy a enviar esa orden en un momento.
If you will.
You will get a notice in the mail telling you when to come back to state court.
Usted va a recibir un citatorio por correo informándole cuándo tiene que regresar al tribunal estatal.
So make sure that the mailing address they have listed for you there is good.
O sea que asegúrese que la dirección de
Hey, thank you
correo
for
que
that.
ellos tienen de su parte sea la correcta.
And I will see that an attorney is assigned to represent you when you come back to court.
Y yo me
Hey,
voy a
that's
asegurar
good,
que se le
Becky.
asigne un abogado para que lo
Yeehaw.
represente para cuando usted regrese al tribunal.
And that
Hey,
takes
Becky.
care of everything for me today. Do you have any questions?
What level is
Y
that?
eso
Is that a
sería todo de
3-yard
mi
or a
parte en el
4-yard?
día de hoy. ¿Tiene usted alguna pregunta?
Todo muy bien.
All is well.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Ok, gracias, señor.
Gracias. Hey, what up, Kat? I'm trying to
All
set
right.
up the
Good
second
morning, ma'am. Can
stream
you
here.
state your name for me?
Buenos días, señora. ¿Podría usted darme su nombre?
Sí, Yanaisa Rodríguez.
Repita.
Level 2?
Yanaisa
Okay.
Rodríguez.
Yanaisa
Life without parole?
Rodríguez.
Okay. Ms. Rodriguez, I was informed that you've already posted a bond. Is that correct?
Señorita Rodríguez, a mí se me informó que ya usted pagó su fianza, ¿es correcto?
Correcto.
Okay. So we don't have any business that we need to handle this morning. You should be processed out shortly.
O sea que nosotros no tenemos nada con lo que tengamos que lidiar en la mañana de hoy, o sea que ustedes deben de procesarla en corto tiempo.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ok, gracias, señora.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Does that take care of all the Spanish speakers?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ms. Bermudez, thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
All right. See you later.
Yeah. Your Honor, I was gonna ask, can we start with the unrulies?
Yeah, just give me their names. I'll get their paperwork ready while you pull them up.
Javin Fonseca,
Fonseca.
Fonseca.
Okay.
Sir Charles Grace,
Mhm.
Sir Charles.
James Pope,
What up, Jenna?
Okay.
What up,
Jonathan
Shay?
Powell,
Okay.
Albert Shaw,
Okay.
Antonio Scrickland.
Okay.
And Jacoives Woodard.
That's a hard one.
Jacoives Woodard.
Woodard. Okay. I got you.
Okay.
All right. I'll get all the paperwork ready.
Thank you.
Thank you.
At the door.
The judge said,
And
I
Your Honor, we're
got
gonna
you.
do medical after them, and we're gonna start with the female.
Okay.
Hush, Fonseca. Stand behind your bike. You talking too loud.
Hell yeah.
Come on.
What place got you?
All right. Good morning, sir. Can you state your name for me?
TikTok got me.
All right, Mr. Fonseca, you are charged with three crimes here. There's an inmate in possession of a prohibited weapon. That's a felony. You're also charged with an act of violence in a penal institution. That's also a felony. I've considered, but I'm denying bond on the 2 felony charges this morning. The last charge here is a misdemeanor. It's called party to a crime. I'm going to list a bond of $5,000, and that would include a provision that while out on any bond, you are to stay away from and have no contact with Rayjanta Murphy. I know your preliminary hearing will be scheduled for December the 8th at 8:30 a.m. I know you're currently incarcerated. How long have you been incarcerated right now? How long have you been in jail right now?
I'm about to make a year.
Okay. I'll make sure that we get a public defender assigned to represent you on these new charges, and that'll take care of everything for us today. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Come on. Put him back in, three and bring it.
All right, I got the second stream up and running now.
Great.
I'm going in for
Dang, 1 year? Man, what's all that commotion over there?
Issue down here. Alright.
Oh yeah, that sounds like something's about to go down right there. I wouldn't want to be in the middle of that. Repeat offender. What up, the plugs? Hey, what up, Gene? Yeah, man, they put it on mute, man. My imagination was about to start going wild right now, if you will. But not today, I guess. Hey, what up, Bert? How's it going? Hey, Summer, thank you for that daily heart. Hey, what's up, AZ? How's it going? Let me see, James, what place you got? Who got you for the? It was TikTok. TikTok got me. They hit me last night.
All right.
They banned me
And
for
good morning, sir.
24
Can you state your name
hours.
for me?
Close that door.
Sir Charles Grace.
All right, Mr. Grace, you have 3 charges here. The first 2 are felonies. That's an inmate in possession of a prohibited item or weapon. And then there is act of violence in a penal institution. I've considered, but I'm denying bond on those 2 felony charges this morning. The third charge is misdemeanor party
lot
to a
lizard.
crime. We're going to list a bond
What up,
amount of
Chris?
$5,000
What up, Mel?
on that charge. And while out on bond, you would need to stay away from and have no contact with Rayjanta Murphy.
This is Georgia. We're in Georgia right
Your
now.
preliminary hearing is going to be scheduled for
I have not, Becky.
December the 8th
That's news
at
to me.
8:30 a.m. And I know you're currently incarcerated. How long have you been in jail right now?
Way too long.
What
What up, Yama and
Okay.
Adam?
I will make sure that we get a public defender assigned to represent you on these new charges. And that'll take care of everything for us today. Thank you, sir.
You're in Georgia, Jade? Damn. Yeah, I know. I haven't seen. I haven't read about it, and nobody's made any videos on YT.
Yes, he and 5 2, they getting all the fines. So we can go back at the same time.
Team.
Hopefully everybody's doing good today. Today I got some free time on my hands. Oh yes, about 45 minutes outside of ATL. I've never, you know what? I've never been in
Good
Atlanta
morning, sir.
besides
Can
in
you
the
state your
airport.
name for me?
Tell him one fact.
Say it
up,
one more
mister?
time.
Thank you.
Mr. Pope, okay. So Mr. Pope, you are currently wanted out of another jurisdiction. You are currently wanted out of Danville, Virginia on a probation violation. They are seeking to extradite you. What that means is they are seeking to come here, pick you up, transport you back to
This is
Virginia
jail.
to face that charge. What I'm required by law to do is give you some information on extradition. And when I get done, I'll ask you if you want to waive extradition, which means you're giving them permission to go ahead and come and pick you up, or if you want to contest extradition, where you're taking the legal position that they should not have the right to come and pick you up. Let me give you that information, and then I'll.
I'm not
ask
sure
you
what county it is
which
in
one you
Georgia,
wanna
though.
do here.
So,
You have the
Clayton,
right to
Clayton
be
County.
represented by an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one can be appointed to represent you. All of the rights that I explained earlier apply to you the same as everyone else. If you desire to contest the legality of this extradition proceeding, then you must file or have filed on your behalf a writ of habeas corpus. That is the legal document or legal instrument that contests whether the extradition would be legal. However, the writ of habeas corpus can only contest 4 issues. The first is whether the extradition documents are in order on their face. The second is whether you are charged with something that is a crime in Virginia. The third is whether you are the person named in Virginia's request for extradition. And the fourth is whether you are, in fact, a fugitive. You cannot contest the issue of your guilt or
Extradition?
innocence here in Georgia.
Shannon,
that has
where
to
you
take
been
place in
at?
a Virginia court. And let me tell you about the time limits here. If you waive extradition, so you're giving Virginia permission to come and pick you up, they would have 30 days to do so. After 30 days, if you have not been picked up, then you would be released from jail. If you are contesting extradition, and if that process has not been completed within that 30 days, you may be held for an additional 60 days while that process is being completed. So if you waive extradition, that gives them 30 days to come and get you. If you are contesting extradition, that process may take up to 90 days.
Chantel,
Okay?
thank you.
So with all that in mind, do you want to waive extradition, which gives them the 30 days, or do you want to contest extradition, which may take up to 90 days?
I'm contesting.
Waive. Okay. All right. There's going to be waiver forms there.
Hey, what up, fancy
You'll
name? I can't
sign
even
the
read your name,
same
big
waiver
dog.
form 6 or 7 times,
fancy
and
for
those
me.
will all be sent to me. I will get those signed right after the hearing, and then that'll start your 30-day clock running and take care of everything for us today. All right.
Oh,
Thank you. Good luck to you,
Demetrius.
sir.
y'all, we got another one coming up. 5, no.
No, you go back to, I know, it's like the target. Go back to, Bill. Miss Fowler, you want him to go back?
Yes, both of them go back.
You go back too. Come on, Phil.
Damn, hey, I don't miss anything about being in,
All right.
in
Good
these type
afternoon,
of
sir. Can you
places.
state your name for me?
Jonathan Powell.
Powell. Okay. Give me just a moment to get your paperwork together.
Absolutely, absolutely live right now.
Yeah, let's go with the medical.
This is not AI generated right now. This is live and direct.
All right, Mr. Powell, you have got 7 charges here.
Thank you,
2
Sophie.
aggravated assault charges, 2 possession of a deadly weapon by an inmate charges,
I'll brush my mustache
2
for that.
riot in a penal institution or unlawful act of violence in a penal institution. And then the last charge is another possession of a prohibited item.
Right recovery.
Those are all felony charges I have considered, but I'm denying bond on all of those charges this
43
morning.
months.
Your preliminary hearing will be scheduled for December the 8th at 8:30 a.m. I know you are currently incarcerated. How long have you been in jail right now?
3 years.
Okay. So I will see that a public defender is appointed to represent you, and that will take care of everything for us this morning. Thank you, sir.
So I'm expecting somebody to get released in the next 2 weeks. So if they do get released, I will be visiting a prison soon. in the next 2 weeks, if you will. Is it for in a wheelchair?
You want to hold him in the cell, Mr.
Hey, I didn't like how that judge, how
Hi,
that
good
judge
morning,
was
sir.
saying
Can you state your name for
penal
me?
institution.
Albert Shaw.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Give me just a moment to get all your paperwork here.
I don't like that fool's glasses.
Yeah, he in
Oh, you
five.
guys can't even see him.
All right. So, Mr. Shaw, you have 2 charges. They are both aggravated assault. Let's see. First one's aggravated assault against a peace officer. Second one's aggravated assault against a peace officer. I've considered, but am denying bond on those charges this morning. Your preliminary hearing will be December the 8th at 8:30 a.m. Are you currently employed?
No, it's fine.
All right. I'm going to assign a public defender to represent you, and that'll take care of all of our business this morning. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Sophie, I understand, Sophie. Yeah, we get that a lot from people that are not from the United States, if you will.
Okay, I'll shoot him down there.
December 8th is your birthday. Happy early birthday to you, Courtney.
I'm a cop. He gonna find.
So
All right. Good morning, sir. Can you state your name for me? All right, Mr. Strickland, you have 1 charge that is misdemeanor terroristic threats. I'm going to list a bond amount on that of $2,000.
What up, Jenna?
While out on bond,
30.
you are
Where'd he go?
okay.
back. Come on,
While out on
Strickland.
bond, you're not to return to 11 Upper Riverdale Road unless
Justin,
you're
thank you.
seeking or receiving medical
I
care.
can't see his eyes,
Your
James.
preliminary hearing will be scheduled for December the 9th at 8:30. Are you currently incarcerated? I mean, I know you're in jail right now physically. How long have you been in jail right now?
About 5 days, 4-5 days.
Okay. All right.
Oh, man, those are, the first few days are the worst ones.
And are you currently employed?
No, sir. No.
All right. I'm going to see that a public defender is assigned to represent you on this charge, and that'll take care of all of our business today. Thank you, sir.
It's the worst. Like with your first few days, you go to sleep and you wake up and you're dreaming that you're free, and then you wake up in jail. That's the worst. Like, damn, man, I'm back here again. How the hell did I end up here again? What the hell did I do? When you're coming down.
All right. And can you guys raise the camera up a little bit there?
Yeah, we can't see this fool's face. Look
Okay.
at me
Thank
in
you.
the eyes,
Good
homeboy.
morning, sir. Can you state your name for me?
Is Woodard.
All right, Mr. Woodard, you have got 3 charges. The first 2 are
What up,
felonies. There's a inmate in possession of a prohibited weapon and an act of violence in a penal institution. I've
Another
considered
one?
but am denying bond on both of those felony charges this morning. You also have a misdemeanor party to commission of a crime. I'll
He
list a
does kinda
bond
look
of
like Boweezy.
$5,000 on that charge, and that would include a no contact provision with Rajanta Murphy. The
Rajanta.
preliminary hearing will
Is
be
that the same one
scheduled
that he
for
mentioned
December
earlier
the
on?
8th at 8:30 a.m.
Hey, what up, Loopy?
I know that you are currently in jail. How long have you been in jail right now?
21 months.
Okay. I will see that a public defender is appointed to represent you.
Hopefully, yeah, we are going to be
and,
doing Polk
that will
County
take
today.
care of everything for us this morning. Thank you, sir.
What up, Taurus? Damn, was Ray Janta and a lot of relationships right here? Because there's been a lot of talk about Ray Janta, and there's been a lot of talk about violence in prison. What's going on? I need to know what's going on right here.
Here you go.
Hey, Judge, we're gonna get the medical for you.
Tell me what, do you know the name?
Yes, it's gonna be Courtney Williams.
They jump Ray Janta.
Okay, Kimberly Williams.
Not yet, Jeanette.
Kimberly but both Kimberly and Courtney, or just Kimberly?
Both of them, sir.
Both Kimberly and Courtney. Okay.
You got my email, right, Becky?
We're gonna have his name is Hari Nahari Lars. His first name is spelled NJHAREE.
Yes, Nicole, I am streaming on YT. Yeah.
Last name is gonna be spelled
What up, Panda?
LAWIS.
Okay, I got you.
Thank you for that daily heart, Panda.
We're gonna have Alan Boyd
Okay.
and Alexis Gross
Okay.
and Mikhail Jenkins.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All right. I'll get that paperwork. Thank you.
Hey Heather, thank you for the follow. Jasmine, thank you for the follow also.
Well, if you got.
Recovery over everything. Thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate you. It's like a hotel and prison in the UK. What?
Or five. Oh, wait, no. The dude in the wheelchair and him go to 3. They say they not the
What up,
return back
Tatted
to 5.
Vet?
They gotta go to 3.
Did you see the
Three
pursuit and the woman that
Strickland
got?
and the one in the-
Yeah,
What?
I didn't see like the whole
he can
pursuit.
walk back.
They gotta
I
go
saw
to
the
3.
headline,
So Strickland
and I
can
kind
go
of saw
back.
her
Yeah,
like.
he on the 3. We only got
I believe she
He
was
don't know where to
fleeing
go
from
to
the
3.
valley.
You gotta drop him off to 3.
The judge hey does have a green screen. I think the judge is actually at home. He's probably not even wearing any pants right now. He just has a robe on.
Yeah, he getting paperwork.
She made it across the border. Yeah, that was a that's a fumble for the CHP
All
right
right,
there.
good morning, sir. Can you state your name for me?
Alan Boyd.
All right, Mr. Boyd, you have one charge. That's criminal trespass. We're going to set that bond at $1,000. While out on bond, you need
Is that
to
DMX?
not return to Hartsfield Jackson Airport unless you are in possession of a
Hey, have a
valid
good one,
ticket for
Bessie.
travel on that
Becky.
same day.
Hey,
The preliminary hearing will be scheduled for December the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And were you able to fill out an attorney application today? Oh, I found it. Okay. Are you
Rest in
currently
peace to
employed?
DMX.
I'm let it go. I'm let it go right now.
Okay. I'll make sure that we get a public defender assigned to represent you on this case.
Joshua,
And
this
that'll
is
take care of everything for
this
us
is
today.
Georgia.
Thank you, sir.
Ross. Take him to medical.
Take it to medical.
Well, I'm not for it.
Go ahead.
No.
Man,
No.
let's go back here. I'm not going back here, man.
Go in the cell.
I'm not going back here.
Tase him.
Y'all gonna use somebody.
Oh, no, I'm just taking it.
All right. Good morning, ma'am. Can you state your name for me?
It's Alexa Goss. Good morning.
All right. Good morning. Okay. So, Ms. Goss, you have one charge. That is felony terroristic threats.
Damn it.
That bond is going to be $5,000.
What up, Liam?
While out on bond, you are to stay away from and have no contact for the time being with the alleged victim, Daquanell Hughes. You all live at the same residence. Okay, so for right now, that means you can't be at the residence. You can talk to your attorney about how to get that bond condition
Jennifer,
changed
thank
over
you.
time to start to allow contact again if Mr. Hughes is on board with that. You can also schedule an appointment with the sheriff's office within the first 10 days of your release,
What
where
up,
you
Bigfoot?
will be allowed to go into the residence at a specific time
Silas
and
was
get
on
what
last night.
personal items you need out of there. The preliminary hearing will be scheduled for December the 8th at 8:30
She was
a.m.
gonna cut him.
And I am
Cut
going
him
to see that a public defender is appointed to represent you. And that will take care of everything for us this morning. Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, if there's anybody that doesn't like how it looks right now, you guys are more than welcome to jump over to my YT account, and right there is full 1080p. You're gonna see the whole screen, and you'll be able to even see the chat. So there is that option. If
All right. Good morning,
If you
ma'am.
guys
Can you
can't
state
see
your name
that
for
good.
me?
damn, it's already
The
been 4
microphone
years,
is on
Anthony.
mute there. They'll have to unmute it for you.
4 years. Wow, man.
Okay. And tell me your name again.
Joan Jenkins.
What's up with her eyes?
Okay, Miss Jenkins, you have one charge. That's criminal trespass.
I don't even
The
think she can see
bond
what she's
amount's
that.
going to be
She's that, Your Honor.
$1,000. For the time being, you will need to stay away from and have no contact with the alleged
Sarah?
victim, Bobby Jenkins.
What up,
Is
Slick?
that your husband?
Yes, and that's my home.
Okay. He also lives there? Okay. So for the time being, you're going to have to stay away from him. That means you got to stay away from
Her
the
eyes are not
residence,
even
okay?
open.
You can contact the sheriff's office within the first
How did she
10
assault
days of your
somebody?
release and get a date and time that you would be allowed to go in and get what personal items you need. You can also talk to your attorney about how to get that bond condition changed over time to start to allow contact or allow you to come back home if Mr. Jenkins says
951,
that's
thank you.
okay. Okay. But talk to your attorney
What up,
about that
Capricorn?
process. All right. The preliminary hearing will be scheduled for December the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And give me just a minute to get your attorney application here.
No, hey, look, I'm
All
look
right. Are you
like
currently employed?
No, sir, I'm on medical leave.
Medical, okay.
Her eyes are shut.
All right, I'm going to see that a public defender is appointed
What
to
up,
represent
60?
you on this case,
What up, Maria?
and that will take care of everything for us today. Thank you,
Look at her
ma'am.
meds. Her eyes are her eyes are wide shut, if you will.
Give it a wheel.
Hey, recovery, thank you for that daily heart. Highly appreciate you.
All right, good morning, ma'am. Can you state your name for me?
Kimberly Williams.
Kimberly Williams. Okay. All right,
What up,
Mr.
Eros?
Miss Williams, you have got 3 charges
Color
here.
sleepy.
The first is forgery in the first degree. That is a felony. That bond is going to be $7,500.
Right,
The
Ronan?
second charge is theft by receiving stolen property, being charged as a felony. That's also going to be $7,500 bond. The third charge is also a felony. That is buying or selling a motor vehicle or part which serial numbers have been altered to
Damn, she
conceal
has sticky
identity.
fingers.
We're going to set that bond at $5,000. So that's going to give you a total bond of $20,000. The preliminary hearing will be scheduled for December the 8th at
Is this
8:30
live?
a.m. And let me get your attorney application here.
Hey, that patch, I'm not sure what it is. I'm guessing it's some type of plug. Maybe she's on chemo or something.
All
I
right.
mean-
And I am going to see that a public defender is appointed to represent you on this case. And that will take care of everything for us this morning. Thank you, ma'am.
Obviously, it was bothering her because she kept on rubbing it. Yeah, hey, that's what I was just thinking, Ronan. That she was that's what she was showing it. So if you have bond, I'm not familiar with the laws in Georgia, but where I'm from, California, you have to pay 10% if
All right.
you
Good
go through
morning,
a
ma'am.
bond
Can you state
agent.
your name for me?
Courtney Williams.
All right, Miss Williams, you have
Paint
one
patch.
charge. That is criminal trespass. That's a misdemeanor. The bond is going to be $1,500. That will include a special provision that for
Same
the
in
time
Texas,
being,
Georgia.
you are to stay away from and
What
have
up,
no
Cali?
contact with the alleged victim, Damian Williams. Is that your husband?
No,
Husband.
it was, no, sir, it's not, no relation.
No relation, just same last name.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So do you all reside at the same residence?
No, it was my home. It's my residence. He doesn't even reside there.
Not anymore. Hey, what up, user? What up, Pete?
Okay, this warrant was taken out. It says
What up,
Courtney and
Taco
Damian
Vato,
share
if
the
you will?
relationship of boyfriend and girlfriend and reside at the incident location together. See, stay there.
In Utah,
No, sir.
10
He
and
doesn't.
5%?
All right, so here's the way it's going to work then. I'm not putting any exclusion into your bond orders because you're telling me he doesn't live there. But if he is staying there at the residence, and if you go back to that
up,
residence,
Tiny
you would
T,
then
if
be
you
in
will?
violation of your bond order. Okay? So you just have to stay away from him regardless of who lives where. You just can't be around him.
Yes, sir.
The preliminary hearing is going to be scheduled for December the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And I
David,
am
thank you
going
for
to
the
see
follow.
that a public defender is appointed to represent you. And that will take care of everything for us this morning. Thank you, ma'am.
She say what was her bond amount, Yana?
1,500.
1,500. So look, you gotta pay 10%, but you also have to put collateral down. So like, let's say your bill's like $2,000, you would put $200 down, but then you would also have to like
All
put
right,
up like
good
a
morning, ma'am.
car,
Can you state your name for
a
me?
pony, or something.
All right, Miss
Damn, she looks
Laris,
young.
you have one charge here. That is criminal trespass. Miss Laris, are you 17?
I knew she was young.
Are you currently in school?
Yes, sir.
What year are you in school?
11th grade,
You're in the
Damn.
11th grade?
sir.
Hey, Lisa, how's it going? Hey, thank you, John D, for that.
So the
daily heart.
alleged victim in this case is named Patricia Thomas. Who is that to you? Is that a relative?
No, sir.
Is it a neighbor?
Yes, sir. It's
It's
like Somewhere in the neighborhood. We
Peter,
live in
you
a
can't.
apartment complex.
So it's just somebody that lives in the same complex as you?
Hands on my cows, I'm gonna deal with you.
No, you gotta be calm.
Okay.
Hey, keep quiet. I'm trying to listen.
Is your family going to be able to post a bond and get you out?
Yes, sir. My mother.
Okay.
I'm in Southern California.
Hang on just a second. Let me look at something here.
Yes, sir.
Hey, LT, you can close that door to juvenile.
No, Bonnie, what about a go?
You should close that door, sir.
Hey, collateral's collateral, que no? Just notice your cool setup. Hey, thank you.
Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this bond at 1,000. If your
What
if your
the
mother
what?
goes through a bonding company, they may charge somewhere like $100 to $150, something like that. But I'm
Oh,
gonna set
but
that low
Alabama, you
enough
don't gotta
that
do no
we can still get
collateral?
a bonding company that'll work with you
Oh, that's what's
to
up.
write a bond. While out on bond, you'll need to stay away from and have no contact with Patricia Thomas and not return to 1307 Chase Village Drive in Jonesboro. You said that's in the same neighborhood, but that's not your address, right?
Yes, sir.
Your address is a little different down the street.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right. So just stay away from that
Hey,
residence.
thank you guys for letting me know that in Alabama you don't
The
have to do
preliminary hearing will set it for December the
the
9th
10%. I mean, you don't
at
have to do the
8:30
collateral.
a.m. I will see that a public defender is appointed to represent you on this case. And that will take care of everything for us today, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, thank you guys. And I see we got 26,000 taps on one screen. On the other screen, we got 2,000. You guys are definitely being shiesty. There's 165 of you guys right now. Come on, guys. Tapping that screen is free. It's free for you, free for me. That's all I ask. Just tap the screen, share, and drop some comments.
Yeah.
In Scotland, we don't have bonds either. You get released or remanded without paying any money. My bondsman has a llama. What the? Nah, Kirk, for reals. 10% in Ohio too. Let me see. Thought 18 was charged an adult. Well, you know, it varies by state. Every state is different. They got different laws. Yeah, in California, you gotta be 18 normally, unless you get bound over to adult court as a juvenile. Hey, Austin, thank you. Appreciate that. Creon, thank you for that also. Let me see. For real, he collected on the guy. Washington State too. James, you're in Poland. Can I ask you, go for it, the unknown? Damn, coming in from Poland. Sheen Gators. Coming in from Europe. That's Eastern Europe, right? 10% in Texas. Thank you, Harley. 10% in West Virginia. 15 is the minimum adult age. We're in what state? Ain't none of these MFers paying attention to the judge at all. Also, out in Utah, you'll have to do collateral if it's a hella high. Okay. Thank you, Ronan. Let me see. You learn something new every day, right? Wisconsin, 10% in Tennessee. Let me see. Triple GD Lee. Let me see. Where are you at in Poland? I'm from Poznan. Sheen Gators. Órale, trucha con la carrucha. What up, Steve? The Sparky.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, we just had a situation and
Okay.
we're ready for the females, and she's standing here now.
Okay, I'm ready.
10% in NJ.
All right. Good morning, ma'am. Can you state your name for me?
Hello from England.
All right, Miss Bridgman. You have one charge that is simple battery family violence. It's a misdemeanor. The criminal records index indicates you were given 12 months of probation back in December of
shit, they moved it.
2024 from
They
Clayton
fixed the
County
screen
State
here.
Court. Since we're still within that 12-month time period,
All right.
simple battery is a charge that I do not have
Is that
the
better for
authority
you
to
guys
give a
right
bond
there?
on this morning. So I have to deny bond on it. The preliminary hearing will be scheduled for
right then.
December the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
10% in Nevada.
And I am going
Yama,
to
bro.
assign a public defender to represent you on this case and talk to your attorney
Hello,
about
Governor.
trying to get you a bond. Okay? All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Better now. Okay, cool, for sure.
Next.
I hate when they move the
When
screens
one
around.
move, the next move.
Hey, hi from Scotland. Hey, welcome.
Hey,
No
good morning,
bonds
ma'am. Can you
in
state your name for me?
Kentucky.
Tashana Bird.
All right, Miss Bird, you have got two charges. The first is a misdemeanor that's providing a false name, address, or date of birth. That bond is $1,500. The second charge is a felony, financial transaction card theft. That bond is $5,000. So your total bond, when we add those together, comes to $6,500. While out on bond, you are to have no contact with the
Hereford,
alleged
England.
victims of the financial transaction card theft. That's Angela
Blue Eyes,
Green
Jerome.
and Area
Thank you,
Booker.
guys.
The preliminary hearing will be scheduled for December the 8th at 8:30 a.m. I understand from your application for an attorney that you are currently employed. Are you paid each week in your job?
Yeah, well, when he said the card was
What up,
deficient,
David?
my cards came in through the mail this year, and then she didn't allow me to get my
Okay.
own card.
Okay, we're not going to get into the details of what happened. That's for your preliminary hearing. I'm asking you questions to see if you qualify for an attorney. I understand you are working.
Yeah, it should.
How often are you paid?
Kristen, thank
Every
you.
week.
Okay, so when you get paid every week after taxes are deducted, how much do you generally get?
Like $200?
500, 550.
About
550?
$550 a week. Okay. All right, I'm going to find that you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, and I'll see that a public defender is appointed to represent you on this case.
I gotta check what the minimum
and
wage
that
is
will take care of
in,
everything for us this morning.
Georgia.
Thank you, ma'am.
I could imagine it's probably, I wouldn't be surprised if it's the federal wage, which is like $7.25
Good
or
morning,
something
ma'am.
like
Can you
that.
state your name
$7.25?
for
Oh
me?
shit, yeah. Damn.
Andrea Dawson.
Miss Dawson. Okay, give me just a moment here.
500. Damn, she's making $2,000 a
All
month.
right,
She's big
and Miss
balling
Dawson,
shot
you have
calling.
one charge that is simple battery,
Chris,
family
I'm not in the court.
violence.
I'm just watching.
The bond we're going to sell that is $2,000. While out on bond, you are to stay away from and have no contact with the alleged victim, Dorothy Dawson. I know that is a family member. Do you all live at the same residence?
She's squatting in my home. I pay a mortgage, 2 kids.
Okay, so if she's there, then you can't be there because you have to stay away from her. So I will put into the bond order that if she is at the residence, then
Open
you
your
can't,
eyes. Let's say if you can't
be
see.
there. You can schedule an appointment with the sheriff's department within the first 10 days of your release to get a date and time that you would be allowed to go into the residence to get what personal items you need out of there. The preliminary hearing will be scheduled for December the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
This is Georgia.
I am going to see that a public defender is appointed to represent you on this case. I also note here in the application
They
you
do look all
indicated you
tore up.
served in the U.S. military. Is that correct?
For Army Reserves.
Army Reserves.
Que pedo?
Are you currently in the reserves?
No,
Okay. How long were you in the reserves?
6 years.
6 years.
Clayton
Okay.
County, if you will.
We have a veterans court program that offers some additional resources to veterans. We'll send your case information to them to see if they have any other resources there that can help you. Okay. And that will take care of everything today. Thank you, ma'am.
For sure, Alex. Hey, she looks like that girl from Orange is the New Black. I forgot her
Good
name.
morning, ma'am. Can you state your name for me?
You guys I'm pretty sure you guys know.
Branisha Evans.
All right, Miss Evans, you have one charge. That's a misdemeanor
Crazy eyes.
obstruction charge. The bond on that will be $1,000. The preliminary hearing will be December the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
All right.
And give me
Susan
just a
Eyes.
minute to
Susan
get
Crazy
your
Eyes.
attorney application out here.
Mike.
All right, and I am going to see that a public defender is appointed to represent you, and that will take care of everything for us today. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Hey, thank you for the follow. Who?
All right, good morning, ma'am. Can you state your name
Chrissy
for me?
G. Thank you.
Shaniqua Jackson.
All right, Miss Jackson, you have got 4 charges. These are all misdemeanors.
Sorry, Miss Jackson.
The first is obstruction. That bond will be $1,000. The second charge is simple battery on a police officer.
hear
That bond will
you
be $5,000.
when you
The next charge is
talking.
providing a false name, address, or date of birth. That bond is
Thank you, Janine.
$1,500. The last charge is a violation of the seatbelt law. That's a $500 bond. So when I add all of these together, I come up with a total of 8,000.
You ain't right,
The
Korean.
preliminary hearing will be December the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And I am going to see that a public defender is appointed to represent you on these charges. And that will take care of everything today. Thank you, ma'am.
You're not AI, Christy. Or you're not a bot, if you will. Hey, thank you, Zachary, for the sharing, for the share.
All right.
Are those
And
the
good morning,
DLC
ma'am. Can you state your name
headphones?
for me?
Merez,
Can you say it again?
Amber Merez.
Merez. Okay. All right, Miss Merez, you have one charge that is
CO20s?
misdemeanor criminal trespass. That bond is going to be $1,500. While out on bond, you are to stay away from and have no contact with the alleged victim, Keshia
Anita.
Jones. Do you all live at the same residence? Okay, so just don't have any contact with her. The preliminary hearing will be December the 9th at 8:30 a.m. I am going to see that a public actually,
Chino, you
so I
can
didn't
watch it
understand
on
your,
YT.
on your application here. It says you are employed, but you wrote not applicable on the income. So what does that mean?
I just wasn't sure what I make monthly because I get commission. It changes monthly what I do make.
Okay. Are you paid by the hour?
Yes.
How much do you make per hour?
Maybe 18. And I'm guessing.
$18
Around
an
18
hour in Georgia?
What kind of work do you do?
I sell retirement services.
Okay.
She what?
Also,
18 an hour. Okay. I'm going to see that a public defender is appointed to represent you on this charge. I also note here that you served in the U.S. military. Is that correct?
Marines.
What branch did you serve in?
I couldn't hear what she did.
Marines. How long did you serve?
8 years.
8 years. Well, thank you for your service. We have a veterans court program. We will send your case information to them to see if they have any other resources there that can help you. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Trespassing?
They don't know that.
And she got arrested on Veterans Day? She sells retirement
Give me just
services?
a moment here.
What the hell is retirement services? Like coffins? Old people's homes? Convalescent homes? What the hell does that mean?
All right. And good morning, ma'am. Can you state your name for me?
Yes, Lakeithia Odom.
All right, Miss Odom, you have 2 charges. They're both misdemeanors. It's
dog.
battery, family
Insurance.
violence. That bond is $3,500,
coffins.
and then criminal trespass. That bond is $1,500. So your total bond comes to $5,000.
Thank you, guys.
While out on bond, you are to stay away from and have no contact with
A
the
little
alleged
bit, son.
victim for the time being, Kendall Turner. Do you all live together?
Yes, we do. We have a child together.
Okay. So if you're living together, that means you can't be at the residence because you can't be around
Well, I don't have.
around
anywhere
Mr.
else-
Turner.
Thank
I
you,
don't have
Kelly.
anywhere else to go.
You're gonna have to figure it out. Otherwise, you have to stay there in jail. If you can't abide by the bond conditions, then you just have to stay there. So you got to figure something out.
Okay.
But you just can't have contact with Mr. Turner right now.
Okay.
You can talk to your attorney about how to get that bond condition changed over time. If Mr. Turner was on board with it or on board with letting you come home, that is something that we can work on over time.
But I
and
pay
your
the
attorney
rent.
Can explain that process to you. Okay.
Okay.
But like I said, that appointment with the sheriff's office, you would need to schedule that within the first 10 days to go back in and get what personal items you need right away. Okay. The preliminary hearing will be scheduled for December the 9th at 8:30 a.m. On your attorney
Frozen?
application, it says refused. Do you plan on hiring your own attorney?
No.
Okay. Do you want to see if you qualify for a public defender?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. Are you currently employed?
Yes, I am.
Are you paid each week in your job?
Yes, I get paid every week.
After taxes are deducted, how much do you usually clear each week?
At least like five something a week.
500
Yes,
a
sir.
week? Okay.
What up, Cha-Cha?
All right. And you have a child. Is your child under 18?
Yes, he's 4.
All right, I'm going to find that you do qualify.
You're
for a
frozen. I'm
public
frozen?
defender, and I'll see that somebody's appointed to
What the
represent
what?
you on these charges.
I'm frozen, guys.
That will take care of everything for us this morning. Thank you,
Can
ma'am.
you guys hear me? That's it for this court. All right, hey, so we're gonna go over to Judge Boyd. Oh no, hold on. We got one more. I thought you said it was over, Your Honor. But wait, there's more. I'm good now. Okay,
No,
cool.
because you can take females like.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys for confirming. You guys can hear me and see me.
All right.
Hey, if
good
you're
morning,
frozen,
ma'am. Can you
leave
state
and come
your name
back.
for me.
Elizabeth now.
All right, Ms. Panel, you have got one charge here. That's battery, family violence.
Thank you, Adam.
I'm going to set that bond at $2,500. Right now, your bond condition will be to stay away from and have no contact with the alleged victim, Christina.
Oh, I know why I was
Joseph.
frozen because I
Is
was
that
getting a phone
family
call.
member?
Yes.
That's what happened.
17-year-old, my granddaughter.
Okay.
Hey, thank you for that, Kate and FP Bass.
And are you her? Or do you live in the same home as her?
Yes, I do, and I am.
I'm not sure, Alex.
Are there any other adults living in the home?
Yes, her mother.
Her mother's there. Okay, so her mother's taking care of her while you're here.
I was born in the East LA. It's 8 a.m. there. Nah, I'm from California,
And you
so
said this is
I'm
your
9 a.m.
niece? Is that what you said?
Georgia's Eastern
That's
time,
my
right?
Granddaughter.
Oh,
So
granddaughter.
If
I'm
Georgia's
sorry.
Eastern time is 3
Granddaughter.
hours ahead.
Give me just a moment to look at something.
That's my local
here.
time right here. The clock that you guys see in the back of the screen or up here on the wall, that's my local time. It's 12 p.m. in Georgia. Thank you, guys. 12:02 to be exact. Hey, James. Yep, that's me, Lux.
So this panel, I'm looking at your criminal history. I don't think you've
not
ever
Chris.
been in any trouble at all, have you?
Hell no, I'm not an OG.
Okay. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm not dismissing the charge. I'm going to
1203.
lower your bond down to $1,000. That way, a bonding company, if you need to use a bonding company, they would
5
write a
p.m. in
bond
Scotland.
for you and probably charge you $100 to $150. Okay. In most of these cases involving alleged,
What up, Ella?
um,
Hey, have a good one, Lux.
uh,
Oh, no. I think you're leaving. Not me.
acts of violence between, family members in a house, I would say that you're not to have any contact at all with
What
that
up, Maka?
person. Essentially, what I would be doing here is kicking you out of the house.
Thank you for that.
If I did that, all right, because your granddaughter lives there too.
Yes, I
I don't want to kick you out of your home.
would just defend
Uh,
myself.
Okay, so what I'm going to put in your bond here is that
Alright.
you are to have no violent or harassing contact with your granddaughter.
We're in Georgia
I'll put her
today.
name in there. I know I have
Clayton
her
County.
name. I'm not going to say it over YouTube. But what that means is you can't have the police coming back out there again, because if you guys have any more problems, you would be brought straight to jail.
Yes, sir.
Because you'd be in violation of the bond. But I'm not worried about that happening because you have no criminal history at all. And you're not, I will say you're not alleged to have struck her. That is not the allegation here. It's that you twisted her ear, I believe, is the allegation. So, all right. So we're going to say no violent
time
or
zone check.
harassing contact.
Comment
with
your
your
location, if you will.
granddaughter. That will let you go back home, but just make sure things
44
are under
years,
control
they
there,
denied him.
okay?
That fool got denied. He got denied, rightfully so.
All right, give me just a minute to change the paperwork here.
I think that was the hearing from Friday. Arkansas, Las Vegas, Alligator Island, Sheen Gators, Chad. Woohoo! How'd you sneak that phone in? You must be using the prison wallet. Arizona, Seattle, Oklahoma, Chicago, Minnesota, Virginia.
Okay.
Washington,
and
Vatos Locos
the
forever,
preliminary
carnal.
hearing will be scheduled for December the 9th,
Prison pocket.
and I will see that a public defender is appointed to represent you on the case. So that'll take care of all of our business today, okay? All right. Thank you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Austin, Texas. Mi
Next
vida
person, step
loca.
up.
Oye, Cinderella. Go get yourself a fella. You got the wrong man.
All right, good
¿Dónde
morning, ma'am. Can you
eres?
state your name for me?
Güero.
Denaya Smith.
All right, let me find her.
London, 1206. London, Kentucky? I didn't know there was a London, Kentucky. West Virginia in the house.
Okay.
Thunder Bay.
Let's see. So,
Ontario.
Miss Smith, you have 3 charges. They're all misdemeanors.
Oh, it's going down. Ah,
She's leaving.
Taser.
She's away.
I'm gonna
Illegal
mute the
choke
jail
holder.
there. So you just hang on. Yeah.
She looks like she's damn. Man, we needed to see that reaction, man. She should
Your Honor,
have
we
given
have
us
an
a play by
emergency
play.
now.
Okay.
Get
Okay.
right back to me,
Can't
okay?
hear with
Okay,
you
yeah,
talking.
I'll be here whenever you're ready.
Jesus. Can you guys not hear me when I'm talking? Or you guys can't hear the court? Man, they shut it down. It was going down like young jock. Hold up. I'm gonna switch it up to another court right now. Let me see what else is going on right now. Let's see here. What courts are going on right now? Let's see what I got on speed dial right now. Ooh, this is a good one. I like this one right here. Let me.
If you get more.
Hold up. We're gonna do Reno right now. Let's see here right quick.